feed Royal Canin to my pets because I'm guaranteed that my animal will actually get the nutrients they require.
My kitty is named Obi. I've had him for about 8 years now. I've got him on the weight control because he's a little chubby. He loves it. There's nothing else wrong.
I do feed Royal Canin to my cats and dogs. And seeing the raw material that comes in and all the quality standards we have, it just makes sense. Within raw material receiving, 100% of all raw materials that we receive are tested. We can do over 20 analyses depending on the raw material. Some examples would be the near scan, which is spectral identification that will compare to our database of raw materials. We're ensuring that only the safest and highest quality of all raw material is being put into our final product. So one of the big new innovations that we've done here within Royal Canin, we've now achieved our zero landfill goal at the end of 2013, whereas our target was actually 2015.
So our role in the extrusion department is to make the kibbles to specifications which the formulas dictate. After the drying process, we bring it here to the control room and we check for moisture, protein, fat, and active water in the kibble. We have about 40 different dye plates to help make about 152 different diets. We have so many different types of formulas because we cater to size nutrition, health nutrition. We try to range to every type of life stage and health issue. It's definitely important.
In the packaging department, when we drop our food from our hoppers, we individually inspect it, making sure its size is right, its color is right. When we do our tests or quality checks, that includes a scanning of the bag, so we're putting the proper food in the proper bag. We do weight tests, oxygen tests, leak tests, so we know the bag is solid, it's not going to leak. Nitrogen is pumped in through our machines as the bags go around the machine, and then it's sealed in the bag. It promotes freshness. Over the last couple of years, we've made a lot of upgrades to our equipment, including palletizers that help pack the product, different upgrades on our tables, hoppers. Check the quality. That's the #1 standard that we're putting out a quality product.
What's unique about our lab is the amount of testing that we do on each raw material and the specific machines that we're using. So we actually have a mass spectrometer here. We use HPLCs. We go right down in protein to look at individual amino acid level. We do a very in-depth testing.
What it comes down to is simply Royal Canin being the reference in the field of animal nutrition and nutritional precision.
Vets trust Royal Canin because of the safety and quality specifications in our lab to ensure that each product is safe and is high quality.
I'm most proud of the quality that we see throughout the entire process here, whether it's raw material receiving, grinding, extrusion, packaging, shipping, whether it's our external warehouse or at our suppliers. We're all about innovation, quality, and #1 obviously is cats and dogs first.
Today in Cat and Dog Nutrition, we're talking about stress and anxiety in our pets, especially cats. You know, sometimes cats will clearly tell us that they're anxious, but sometimes the signs are much more subtle.
Over-grooming, grooming the tummy, grooming the legs. Some of our cats come in and have lost half of their body hair just from the over-grooming of stress. Vomiting frequently, excessive vocalization, and a lot of cats become completely antisocial and will be hiding, and again, that really destroys the whole purpose of adding to your family.
Many changes can be stressful for your cat, like having guests over, boarding, loud noises such as thunderstorms or fireworks, traveling, or even just rearranging the furniture. For advice about all of that, or any change that occurs whatsoever, contact your veterinarian.
Many of my clients, after we've had a discussion about feline anxiety, feel a little overwhelmed. You've got all of these new things to do in your home to enrich the environment. We're talking about pheromone therapies and supplements and now anti-anxiety medications, but every owner has to feed their cat. As veterinarians, we are very excited now to have the advent of a nutritional management for feline anxiety. This is a great strategy veterinarians are very excited about offering with the hopes of alleviating some of those other stressors and improving the human-animal bond.
That's right. Not only is nutrition one of the most important factors for the health and well-being of cats and dogs, it can also play a role in their stress management. Key nutrients known for their calming effect are L-tryptophan, alpha-casosapine, and nicotinamide. Used together, these calming nutrients may help cats and dogs manage life's emotional imbalances and their consequences. Royal Canin's veterinary diet Calm is a complete and balanced diet that includes these 3 unique calming nutrients. If your cat or your small dog is showing signs of stress or anxiety, the good news, there are lots of options. For starters, ask your veterinarian about the role nutrition can play in helping manage anxiety. No one wants a stressed out pet. Right, Roger? Right, Roger? I'm Steve Dale.
You bring your pet to the veterinarian because you have questions. What's wrong? What can I do? What happens now? Here's one question you might not think to ask. Can diet make a difference? That's where we come in. Royal Canin was founded by a veterinarian, and we've spent over 40 years researching pet nutrition with a science-driven approach and an unwavering commitment to putting pets first. We've developed formulas for a variety of special needs most commonly addressed by veterinarians. Our therapeutic diets support healthy digestion, urinary health, healthy skin and coat, and general wellness, with formulas that deliver precise nutrition to cats and dogs of all ages. All of our diets are precisely formulated to be more palatable and highly digestible. So next time you talk to your veterinarian, add this question to your list. Can a therapeutic diet make a difference for my pet? Royal Canin. Stubbornly scientific.
Today in Cat Nutrition, we're talking about caring for your felines through all their life stages. Cats are commonly thought to be a low-maintenance pet, but that's just not true. If we want to make sure our cats are the healthiest and happiest they can be, we must change the way we care for them, and that starts with regular checkups with your veterinarian.
Despite our love and concern for them, our feline companions typically receive far less veterinary care than dogs. Owners may think their cat is doing well, but cats are masters at hiding illness. It is important to see your veterinarian for preventative care. If any disease indicators are present, they can be found early, and we can minimize possible complications down the road.
Most cat owners know their cat does not like to travel, so placing cats in a carrier and driving to the veterinary clinic seems impossible. If you start a kitten off with regular veterinary visits, life can be a whole lot easier. If you have a mature cat who hasn't visited the veterinarian in a while, there are some good tricks to make the experience much more positive. For example, practice placing cats inside a carrier before the day of the veterinary visit, so it isn't such a sudden change for them. Placing treats and toys inside the carrier can make it a more inviting place, and covering that crate also helps to reduce visual stimulation.
Another critical part of preventative care is nutrition. Precise nutrition significantly impacts the well-being and health of your cat, especially since nutritional needs change as your cat ages. Kittens require support for their immune and digestive systems. Adult cats need dental health support and help maintaining a healthy weight. Mature cats need immune system and joint support, as well as the right nutrients to help maintain muscle mass.
Royal Canin's veterinary exclusive wellness diets provide complete and balanced nutrition for cats of all ages, sizes, and specific needs. So get your feline to the veterinarian for that checkup. It'll go a long way in making your cat remain happy and healthy. Visit royalcanin.us to learn more and to find a veterinarian near you. I'm Steve Dale. Today in Dog and Cat Nutrition, we're going to learn about therapeutic diets available through your veterinarian. Of course, nutrition is one of the most important factors for the health and well-being of our cats and dogs.
What we have to understand is everything that goes into your pet, the diet that you choose, the nutrition it delivers, affects everything within your pet and on the outside of your pet.
Therapeutic diets recommended by your veterinarian can help nutritionally support your cat or dog's overall health. These specially formulated diets can help support their special needs. If you can help your pet stay healthy with food that focuses on their wellness, well, life gets a whole lot easier.
Unfortunately, not every cat and dog is the most compliant patient at home, and so struggling with that, having pets do different behaviors like hiding and shying away from owners, which really dramatically diminishes the human-animal bond, and it's very disheartening for some of our clients. Historically speaking, nutrition has been long kind of overlooked as a very effective way to manage patients. We've had great success in using therapeutic diets along with other available options to manage pet health.
Royal Canin has spent more than 40 years researching pet nutrition with a science-driven approach. The company has developed a wide range of therapeutic formulas for a variety of special needs commonly addressed by veterinarians. Royal Canin therapeutic diets support healthy digestion, urinary health, healthy skin and coat, and general wellness with formulas that deliver precise nutrition to cats and dogs of all ages. So speak with your veterinarian about proper nutrition for your pet. Ask how Royal Canin diets can make a difference in keeping your cat or dog healthy and happy. Visit royalcanin.us and learn more. I'm Steve Dale.
What can your dog's past tell you about its future? Quite a lot, actually. The Royal Canin Genetic Health Analysis scans your dog's DNA and matches it against the unique genetic signatures of over 250 different breeds, types, and varieties. So you can find out all the way back to great-grandparents what breeds make up your dog. But there's more to finding out your dog's ancestry than just curiosity. Different breeds display unique physical and behavioral traits, traits you may or may not observe in your own dog. To see how this works, let's use Frankie as an example. A Royal Canin Genetic Health Analysis identified these 3 breeds in Frankie's family tree: Shetland Sheepdog, Italian Greyhound, and Parson Russell Terrier. What did Frankie inherit from each breed? Well, a Shetland Sheepdog has a double coat that is feathered around the legs and tail and puffs out around the chest. The Italian Greyhound has delicate bones, so Frankie's veterinarian might want to make sure he gets a diet with optimal amounts of calcium and phosphorus. Finally, Parson Russell Terriers are eager learners who respond well to rewards, which will help Frankie's owner with effective training. A genetic health analysis also scans for specific genetic markers that can indicate a predisposition for some health conditions. Frankie's report came back with no markers, but if it had, his veterinarian could use that information to decide if diagnostic tests are required or to keep an eye out for symptoms in the future. Finally, a Royal Canin Genetic Health Analysis includes nutritional considerations based on your dog's unique genetic code. Frankie's scan, for example, suggests a balanced diet with optimal levels of calcium and phosphorus for strong bones, and omega-3 fatty acids to support a healthy skin and coat. All of this information comes from just a few drops of blood, and all of it will allow your veterinarian to create a custom health and wellness plan, grounded in the science of your dog's unique DNA. Interested in unlocking the secrets of your dog's DNA? Ask your veterinarian about the Royal Canin Genetic Health Analysis. Royal Canin, stubbornly scientific.